Okay, so my first repair from Coach. So let's see here. Oh my goodness. How does this go up to here? Oh, okay. So this is the front, I guess. Okay. So here's the front. Well, one's a repair and one they could not repair. So let's see here. Oh, I'm not too good with this kind of stuff. There. I'll just have to break it open. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, repair item number 1. A little concerning that the string from the bag came out. But let's see here. Let's see how it's wrapped. Repair item. Okay. Box is empty. And okay, there's a card inside. Thank you for entrusting us with your Coach product. Your item has been repaired by an expert Coach craftsman according to the highest standards of quality. Cool beans. So envelope. Alrighty. This. Repair it. Yay! So I got the glazing redone. I should have done it before and after, but they fixed the handles. They look brand new. It's so awesome. Okay, the place is closing for me. Hurry up. This is when you fix it. Alrighty. Oh. And this is just need to open this one and then I'm out of your hair.
Not a problem, my stuff goes right to
Okay. Let's see here. How in the world? So, this is the one. I got an email on to say they could not repair it. So they gave me an email and a phone call saying they could not repair this particular. Oops, looks like that. Okay. Yep. Empty box. So tissue paper. And this one also wrapped like this. You can see there's a little Coach emblem. It's just white. So open this. Oh, it's wrapped inside too. Another little stick on it. Unfortunately, they said they couldn't fix the handle on this one. So, it's my swagger. And you can tell here, it's bent. It's broken. On the other side, you see there's no, it's solid. There's no bend. It bends like here, but nowhere else. But on the other handle, you know, it's broken right here. You can see right here. It's broken. So I couldn't do this. But they said they were going to send me a 30% off coupon, which I did not see. Oh, there it is. So they sent me a nice letter. Oh. And let me cover this up. Dated April 27th. Thank you for entrusting us with your Coach product. As you know, your item was received by us, and after review by our craftsmen, we have determined it to be unrepairable. We apologize for any inconvenience we have caused you. In addition to returning your original item, we have enclosed a 30% discount card. Good on your next Coach purchase. You may present the discount card at any Coach retail store in the U.S., Canada, or Puerto Rico. One of our sales associates will be happy to assist you with selecting a new item. Please note this offer is good for 60 days from the purchase. Oh, this offer is good for 60 days on the purchase of one item and may not be used in conjunction with any other discount offer. This discount will not be applicable on all styles. Darn. I was hoping I can use it for Coach 1941. Oh, this is just an empty card. That's a nice letter they sent over. So I can write my address. So hopefully, since it was due to a funky repair, maybe I can use it on a on a Coach 1941 bag. But I have 2 months to make up my mind. So I am happy. Oh yeah, 30% off one retail item. Good till 6/27. Yay! Alrighty, so they couldn't fix it, but I can buy something else. Oh, I am overall quite happy. Got one bag fixed, and this one is a few years old. They couldn't fix it, but it's still usable. Or maybe I'll sell it and then put it towards another bag. Alrighty. Thanks, everybody. Till next time.